Welcome back. It's been a while, but I think I'm finally starting to get back into the swing of things. So my goal this year is to be a little bit more consistent with the uploads. I've got some things lined up that I think you'll really enjoy. So, having said that, let's jump right in. After I cut everything off the sprue and cleaned it up, I gave everything a coat of gray Mr. Hobby primer. I started with black, which is a custom mix of Tamiya black with a little purple and brown, but in the end, it ended up just looking black. For the tops of the shoulders here, I wasn't really happy with the detailing, so I used these extra detail parts from Kotobukiya. I think they're supposed to be rivets that I had left over. I just attached them using a wax pencil and a little CA glue. After masking off the black parts of the shoulders, I applied a custom mix of Tamiya acrylics. It's always really satisfying to peel off the masking tape. Moving on to the head, the antennas needed some attention, so I separated the two shorter antennas with a micro saw, then thinned the bigger one. It was so much bigger than the other ones. So much surface area, so much primer. Much primer. The legs got the same treatment as the arms. Tamiya black. For the collar, I painted it the same purple as the shoulders, then masked it off with some vinyl masking tape and repainted it black. A modest success, I think. I'm actually really happy with how symmetrical it is. It turned out really nicely, I think. For the back, I did the same as before, only in reverse. First black, then purple. For the metallics, I wasn't terribly concerned and just painted it directly over the gray primer. After that, I brushed on some darker metallic details. For the left arm weapon, it was exactly the same. Gray primer, followed by Tamiya acrylics. A little change of plans here. I initially painted this part black, but realized it would just be easier to hand brush the black later, so I repainted it purple. After I finished airbrushing, I moved on to the detail painting with a brush, and this is the part that I really like. It's the part where all the details really start to come out. And for your information, I used V.II. paints for all of the hand brushing. This is the part that I decided to just hand brush black. Just slop it on. And here it is finished. I think it turned out really well. After I finished the detail painting, I gave the whole thing a generous coating of Gaia Notes GX Clear. For the panel lines, I just used black Tamiya enamel thinned with enamel thinner. After cleanup and a coat of flat clear, I painted the metallic lights around the various parts. It's flat, then painted the metallic lights around the different parts, and some metallic in all of the thrusters. I finished off all of the lights with a clear red enamel. This one was a long time coming, but overall, I'm really happy with how it turned out. The kit fit together great. It was a great build, which is actually a shame because detail-wise, I felt like it was a step down from the other kits. The bits on the shoulders, for example, there were a lot of little places that didn't have the detail that they should. But having said that, it was a great build. It was typical Bandai quality, which is always great. But, having said that, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and a comment. And now, enjoy the finished model.
You sicken me, all of you. I'll crush you underfoot. I am Arquebus.